Scouts and guides in the welcoming committee. We share an open and warm relation with our parents. We conduct parent teacher meetings and interactions every day. Parents are also encouraged to communicate with all the teachers, the principal, and myself over the phone. And parents also get updates on the net through School Easy and through SMS. And parents, for all this, you deserve a warm round of applause for all your cooperation. This year, our theme for the school day is Around the World in 80 Minutes. And this program, true to the ideals of our school, is vibrant, multi religious, and multicultural. I'm sure you'll really enjoy the program that we've all worked so hard for. It was a lot of hard work, it was a lot of fun, and it was a lot of effort, physical and mental, by all of us. And all this would not have been possible had it not been for all the support I received from our dance teacher, Ms. Nandini, my teachers, my office staff, my tech staff, my supervisors, my helpers, students, parents, and last but not the least, my principal, Ms. Letitia, who stood by me like a rock and coordinated all the activities on the ground. Thank you, all of you. I hope you enjoy this program, and I really do hope that it does not start raining. Please stay, sit back, and enjoy the fun. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Before we start our program, we are proud to announce that one of our students, Kavyashri, as ma'am mentioned in her speech, of class 7th A, has won Tamil Nadu State Sub-Junior Level Swimming Championship. She has won 3 gold medals and 1 silver medal, and now she will be representing Tamil Nadu State for national level events. I now request Mr. Ajit Boaz, Managing Director, Boaz Memorial Hospital and Psychiatric Rehabilitation Center, to please come up to felicitate Kavyashri with a check of 10,000 rupees. Now I request our principal, Ms. P. Letitia, to please come up and make a few announcements.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a few announcements to make and also thank the people involved in various programs. To start with, I'm happy to thank Mr. Rajit Boas, Managing Director of Dr. G.D. Boas Memorial Hospital and Psychiatric Rehabilitation Center, for his presence in our midst in spite of his busy schedule. We thank you, sir. Hope you would really enjoy the program. I also thank all the dignitaries and invitees who are seated in the front row for accepting our invitation. Next, I would thank all the teachers involved in various activities of today's program and all the children who are participating in various items for their endless effort and cooperation, as without them the program would be incomplete. I especially thank our dance teacher, yoga master, karate master, supervisor, office staff, and technical head for their tireless help rendered whenever needed. I also thank Sanjana Tailors, Araya, and K-Tex Tailors, Gauri Vakam, for their timely help in stitching all the clothes. I extend my thanks to all parents who allow their children to participate in their program, and also all parents who are really patiently waiting till the rain gets over and who are really sitting happily here to witness the program. I hope that you will really enjoy today's cultural extravaganza. I also thank Mr. Mageshwari, who really helped us to get the children ready for their program. I would also thank all the staff of Dr. G.D. Boas Memorial Hospital and Psychiatric Rehabilitation Center for their timely help rendered. I also thank our ayahs, drivers, attenders for the help they have rendered. I thank Mr. Shagul and his crew for their articulate makeup talent in exhibiting his magical power in making each and every child the angel of the day. I also thank all the people who helped us with stage, sound, and light. Above all, I take great pleasure in thanking our correspondent, Mrs. Aarti Boas, who is the backbone of this program. Right from selecting the items, designing the costumes, and buying various materials for the costumes, these were all done alone by her. Some of the materials for the program were even brought from Mumbai when she visited there. I really appreciate the patience, dedication, and passion you have towards your work. I also thank her on behalf of all teaching and non-teaching staff for the beautiful saris and dresses sponsored by the management for this special occasion. Thank you, ma'am, for all your love, help, and encouragement and guidance. I'm sure we all would enjoy the program. Before I could conclude, I just go for the announcements. I hope you are all listening. The parents of the participants should collect their children after the respective program only through the front grill grate. Okay? Respective teachers in charge will be handing them over to you. Parents who wish to leave in between can do so without interrupting the flow of the program. Cameras are absolutely not allowed as they interrupt the enjoyment of other parents. All programs will be extensively covered and